Okay, today I'm going to demonstrate to you on how to draft the front bodice pattern. These are the materials needed. 1/4 of pattern paper. We need hip curve for shaping the hip line. We need also L square for drawing perpendicular line. If in case you have no L square and hip curve, you can use also ruler. We need French curve for shaping the neckline and armhole. Now, if you have no French curve, you can use also freehand. Syempre, we need also the tape measure, pencil, and scissor. After drafting the pattern, you can use the scissor to cut the pattern. But this time, instead of using pencil, we will use the pen or the marking pen. Okay. These are the measurements needed. We need the shoulder. Our measurement is 15. Chest is 13. Divide it into 2. We have 7.5. Divide 13 into 2 is 6.5. Bust measurement for the bust is 32. Divide into 4, so we need 8. Waist 24, so divide into 4, it is 6. Next is bust height. We need full measurement, and this is 8. Bust distance is 7. Divide 2 is 3.5. And figure is 15. So, first procedure, using your L square, draw a perpendicular line. So, if you have no L square, you can use also the ruler to draw perpendicular line. But be sure that your line is perfect square. Okay? So, after drafting or drawing perpendicular line, mark the corner as point A. Next procedure, from A downward, get 3.5 inches for the depth of neck and mark this as point B. From point A downward, measure 5 inches. This is the location of your chest and mark as point C. Next, from A downward, measure 1/4 of your bust, and this is point D. Measurement of your bust is 8. Next, from point A to E, use your figure measurement, and 15. This is point E. Next procedure, you draw a perpendicular line or draw horizontal line Okay, from point E, be sure your line is perfect or straight line going inward or going to the right. D, extend your point D inward or going to right, and also your point C going to the right. Next procedure, AF. Sa taas na tayo ngayon. From A, going to the right, measure 3 inches, and this is point F. This is your width of your neck. Next, from A going to G, 1/2 of the shoulder, which is 7 1/2, and this is point G. Next, from G downward, get 1 1/2 inches to get your letter H. Next procedure, from C going to I, measure 1/2 of your chest measurement here, and this is point I. Okay, connect now point I and point H. Connect point H and point F with the use of your ruler. Connect also point F to point B. This is your neckline, shoulder line, and this is your armhole going to I. Okay, D to J, where is your D? D to J, measure 1/4 of your bust, which is 8 inches, 1/4 of bust plus 1 inch, and this is point J. This is your point J. Again, from D to J, 1/4 of bust plus 1 inch. Then, connect J and letter I using French curve. Okay, this is your armhole. Next procedure, EK, this is your E, going to the right, 1/4 of your waist measurement. 1/4 of your waist measurement is 6 plus 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4 is your allowance for the dart. Then, connect J. This is point K. Okay, you get it? Point K. Again, from E to K, 1/4 of your waist plus 1 and 1/4. 1 and 1/4 is the allowance for dart. Then connect J and K. Okay. Next, A to D1. A to D1. Balik tayo dito. Downward. Height or bust height. this case, yung bust height niya at saka yung kanyang 1/4 of bust same. Pero may time na pareha and hindi parehas, may mababa ang bust. Supposed to be, sample natin, ang bust height niya is 8.5 para makita yung difference dito. Pero this time, ang kanyang bust height at saka yung kanyang bust, 1/4 of bust is parehas. So, andito rin yung D1 niya. Okay? That is D1. Next, D1 to L. Okay, D1 to L, 1/2 of the bust distance. This is point L. Then, yung D1 ninyo at saka L, lipat nyo sa baba. This is magiging point M. Then, connect L, M. Okay. In between M, doon, at saka dito, get 5/8. So, ito'y magiging M1, M2. Then, you are going to connect L to M1, going to M2 to form your dart. Okay, next, and the last procedure, from K upward, get 1/2 inch and shape your waistline using hip curve or gauge. Connect K to M to form your waistline. And our pattern for bodice, front bodice is already done. Again, good morning or good day to all of you. And this is your pattern for the front bodice pattern. Thank you.